Kalau kita bicara soal dunia barat, ada satu hal yang sampai sekarang masih menjadi isu utama, yaitu isu rasial. Ya, di Amerika, Eropa bahkan di negara-negara yang katanya maju, sikap diskriminasi dan rasis masih sangat terasa. Di Amerika misalnya, meskipun mereka sering mengklaim sebagai negara demokrasi dan kebebasan, kenyataannya masalah rasisme tidak pernah benar-benar hilang. Orang kulit hitam, orang Asia, hingga Muslim selalu dianggap mencurigakan, dan hal ini dibenarkan oleh banyak orang di sana.
White people need to talk more about race with their family and community. I know that this sounds counterintuitive because your feed is probably filled with white people talking about race when it is obviously an issue that affects people of color, but the problem is that it's perpetuated in white families in ways that they do not realize. I am trying to call out the racism that is either explicit or implicit among white circles. People act racist a lot of the time behind closed doors, which is something that I, as a white person, see a lot. It doesn't matter if I'm in Chicago, if I'm in rural California, if I'm in rural places, generally speaking, white people are racist in the US. And sometimes in ways that they don't even realize. So my goal with my content is to see this, to report on it, to encourage white people to evaluate critically what that means. Although it might seem like I'm trying to take away voices of people of color, I am not. I'm not trying to speak on the effects of racism or anything like that. I'm trying to talk about how it's systemic and encourage other white people to evaluate their biases, because I understand this because of the environment I was raised in, which is very conservative.
Tentu saja, isu tersebut membuat banyak turis asing terbiasa bersikap waspada. Mereka sudah menyiapkan diri untuk kemungkinan diperlakukan tidak adil, bahkan ketika datang ke negara lain di luar barat. Dan kalian tahu, Indonesia ternyata cukup diragukan terutama bagi orang-orang keturunan Afrika. Hal ini dikarenakan sering terjadi isu-isu rasial di beberapa negara Asia Timur. Karena hal tersebut banyak dari mereka berpikir, jika di negara Asia Timur saja mereka sering bersikap tidak mengenakan, bagaimana di Indonesia? Aku yakin pasti sama saja. Namun ketika datang langsung ke Indonesia, semua kekhawatiran itu luluh lantah. Turis asing kaget. Mereka mengira akan mendapatkan perlakuan tidak mengenakan dari orang Indonesia, tapi ternyata malah sebaliknya.
The amount of racism I have experienced in Bali is insane. And the crazy thing is, it's not even from the people of Bali. It's Europeans, Russians, people from other places that act like Black people can't travel, Black people not supposed to be here. It blows my mind, but not really. But like experiencing it, and don't get me wrong, I've experienced this before because I've been to a lot of different places, but normally it's the people that are from that country, not people that are not from the country that's just there. I literally have had people not eat at a restaurant because they saw I was there, or they didn't want to sit next to me. The waiter tried to sit them next to me and they did not want to sit next to me. I done had people be sat next to me and get up and leave because I was sitting there. Imagine you are so miserable that somebody's skin color offends you that much to where you change your plans for the night, for the day, because you don't want to be around somebody with darker skin than you. That's insane. I could not imagine living my life like that.
Ya, pada awalnya ia mengira akan mendapatkan perlakuan tidak mengenakan dari orang Indonesia, tapi ternyata malah dari orang asing. Tentu ini sangat mengejutkan baginya. Dikiranya orang Indonesia akan bersikap dingin dan menatap penuh curiga, tapi orang Indonesia justru menyambut dengan senyum lebar. Hal ini benar-benar disorot dan mendapat pujian dari turis mancanegara. Karena bagi mereka, orang Indonesia tidak hanya baik dan ramah, tapi juga toleran terhadap orang asing. Tak peduli bagaimana latar belakangnya bagaimana, mau itu kulit hitam atau kulit putih, orang Indonesia selalu memperlakukan semua orang sama. Tentu, tidak mengherankan kalau orang Indonesia dipuji-puji oleh turis mancanegara, karena kita orang Indonesia terbiasa hidup dalam keberagaman, dari Sabang sampai Merauke. Negeri ini dihuni ratusan suku, budaya, dan bahasa. Hampir setiap daerah punya identitas berbeda, tapi semuanya bisa hidup berdampingan. Yang mana, hal seperti ini tidak ada di negara barat. Makanya kita sering melihat banyak warga asing yang sangat bahagia ketika menginjakan kaki di Indonesia.
I just want to hop on here and say something, man. My whole life has changed in the last week I've been here in Indonesia. The people here are so kind, so humble. Everybody is so respectful, and as a foreigner, you just walk around and you feel man, so comfortable. You don't feel like you got to worry about absolutely anything. And that right there is beautiful. Right now, I'm actually staying in the Chinatown area of the city, and this place is gorgeous, man. It has a lot of history. Right now, it's a little dead, but it gets pretty crazy. And man, I kind of love the crazy. You know, you kind of need crazy in your life, and Jakarta is that perfect balance between being able to find a nice quiet area and just being in a very crazy environment that gets your blood pumping, the energy flowing. This place is awesome. I see why so many people from around the world are moving here and choosing to live in the city, or even choosing to live on different islands here in Indonesia. The people are just, man, it's special. It's a special place, and it doesn't matter how many videos I make, you got to come here and experience it for yourself in order to fully understand.
Bagi turis asing, pengalaman ini bukan hanya menyenangkan, tapi juga membuka mata. Mereka yang terbiasa dengan luka rasisme di Barat, tiba-tiba menemukan negeri yang membuat mereka merasa aman, diterima, bahkan dianggap keluarga. Banyak turis akhirnya berkata, "Kami datang untuk liburan, tapi yang kami bawa pulang adalah pelajaran tentang kemanusiaan. Indonesia sudah mengajarkan kami arti toleransi yang sesungguhnya."